እሺ የላስት ይር ሚድ ኤግዛም በባለፈው ቪዲዮ መስራት ጀምረናል። አሁን ከዛ ይቀጥላል ከቆምንበት ነው እንቀጥለው። ከአምስት ሰርተናል። ስድስተኛ ይቀጥላል። ኦኬ number 6 እናንብበው ምንድነው የሚለው? If the region R is in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 and the coordinate axis. ለዚህ መጀመሪያ ሪጅናችንን ዲተርሚን ማድረግ አለብን። We have coordinate axis and the region is bounded by a unit circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. A unit circle and the axis x-axis, y-axis in the first quadrant. The region R is in the first quadrant. So by the circle and the axis is this region. This is our region R. Then the question says evaluate the double integral over the region R of the function e the power of minus of x square plus y square dA. This is what we need to evaluate. Double integral. The integral of double integral ላይ ሁልጊዜም ሪጅናችን ነው ዲተርሚን የሚያደርገን ምን አይነት ቴክኒክ ነው የምንከተለው የሚወስነው ሪጅናችን ነው። So the double integral of the function over the region R, as you see the region bounded by a circle with the axis. And when you see here the expression x square plus y square, so always our mind should be alert. መንቃት አለብን x square plus y square polar coordinate ሊወስደን እንደሚችል ማሰብ አለብን። So if we need to express in polar form, if we need to express this in polar form, then what we'll have, we replace x square plus y square by r square. So in polar coordinates, this double integral will be the integral over the region R, regionation determine is a power of minus x square plus y square is r square. Then r dr d theta. With a polar form ስንቀይር ያለን double integral formulaችን ይሄ ነው። Then what's the limit of integration for each variable? When come to for r, look, this region is bounded. The region minimum value from the origin to the origin is bounded by the origin itself, and it's far away to the curve. The circle from the origin, what's the distance? That's the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 1 unit. That's x square plus y square is equal to 1 our circle. The radius is 1 unit. So the region bounded when r vary from the origin up to the curve up to 1 unit. So this is from 0 up to 1. The other from positive x-axis እንነሳለን። ሪጅኑ ፖዚቲቭ ኤክስ አክሲስ ነካ ማለት መነሻ አንግላችን 0 ነው። then the region we rotate and this region bounded by the positive y axis, that is pi over 2. So this is what we need to evaluate. Now is a power of minus r square times r. Composition function. Remember, whenever you have the integral of f of g of x, g derivative at x, dx function of one variable line, use substitution whenever you have this form, and it may be some scalar multiple. So here you can observe that the inner function minus r square, its derivative will be minus 2r, r dr becomes. Therefore, we can use integration by substitution. So let's r square be t. Then derivate both sides with respect to r. This will be 2r is equal to derivative of t with respect to r. Then crisscross, divide both sides by 2. This will give us RdR is equal to 1 over 2 dt. The RdR will be replaced by 1 over 2 dt. Therefore, this integral becomes the integral from 0 to pi over 2. The integral from, look, whenever r is 0, what about t? R square is equal to t. R 0 sion, t 0 no, so it's 0. When r is 1, t is 1. So still the limit of integration for variable t is from 0 up to 1. Is the power of r square t minus t, r dr 1 over 2 dt. So 1 over 2 dt d theta. Now by iteration, first we need to do the integration for the variable t. The integral of e to the power of minus t. What's the integral of e to the power of minus t dt? Minus so minus of e to the power of minus t. Minus of e to the power of minus t. Therefore, this can be expressed as the integral from 0 up to pi over 2 in bracket. Its integral is minus e to the power of minus t from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. This got 1 over 2 allechin. So 1 over 2 ይወጣል ከዚህ coefficient constant coefficient ነው d theta. Then substitute 1 minus e to the power of minus 1 over e. So 1 over 2, the integral from 0 to pi over 2. When you substitute 1 here, it becomes minus 1 over e minus. When you substitute 0, it becomes e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. That is minus 1. So it becomes plus 1 d theta. Then it is constant. So the integral of a constant with respect to theta 1 over 2 in bracket. ይህን rearrange አድርገን መጻፍ እንችላለን. e minus 1 over e theta. The integral of d theta, 1 d theta is theta. This is the coefficient. So theta from 0 to pi over 2. This is equal to, substitute pi over 2 here. Pi over 2 times 1 over 2. Pi over 4. E minus 1 over e minus 0 is 0. So the result is e minus 1 over e times pi over 2. That's the result of the equation. So this is our answer. The next one, number 7, in the part of fill in the blank. Number 7, መጨረሻው ዳሽ ሙላ የሚለን, we have paraboloid. Z is equal to x square plus y square. The graph of this one, you need to remember the graph of basic functions. So the graph of this function, roughly sketching, this is the paraboloid. Look, this is z is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, z is equal to x square plus y square. Roughly, this is a graph of the paraboloid. Then this is cut by the plane. Z is equal to 4. If it is 4, z is equal to 4. So we will have like this. So we need to determine the area of the surface. The area of this surface. Now, ምንድነው ማስታወስ ያለብን? አንዱ area of the surface for the given function ፎርሙላችን ምን ይላል ነው። ፎርሙላውን ማስታወስ ይጠበቅብናል። ከዛ ውጭ ደግሞ ይሄ ሰርፌስ xy plane ላይ ምን የትኛው ሪጅን ላይ ነው ያለው ስንል, this is a circle for z is equal to 4. So this is a circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So when we take the image of the surface on the xy plane, we will have a circle of radius 2 units. This is the region where the surface is over. Surface የሚገኝበት ሪጅናችን x square plus y square equal to 4 እሺ አሁን የትኛውን ሰርፌስ እንደምንፈልጋው ቀናል ሰርፌሱ የት ላይ እንደሚገኝ ያውቀናል ሪጅናችንን the circle over the xy plane x square plus y square equal to 4 ያን ካወቅን በኋላ ምንድነው ያለን የተማራችሁት ምንድነው area of the surface for function of two variable is the double integral over the region r surface areaችን የሚገኝበት region xy plane ላይ over the region r square root of 1 plus partial derivative of f with respect to x square plus partial derivative of f with respect to y square dA. This is the area of the surface. That's the formula what we have. So let's say it's a certain function. This is our function f of x comma y enable. Therefore, its area will be the double integral over the region R square root of what's the partial derivative of f with respect to x? To x square scenario we have here 1 plus 4x square plus partial derivative of f with respect to y square to y square scenario 4y square dA. እንዴት ነው ኢንተግሬት የምናደርገው ራዲካል 1 plus 4x square plus 4y square dA. እዚህ ቀጥለን ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለብን x square plus y square so polar coordinate ተጠቅመን ኢንተግሬት እናድርገው ይሄን ኤክስፕሬሽን ምን አድርገን መጻፍ እንችላለን double integral over the region r square root of 1 plus 4 times x square plus y square dA. Okay, now ይሄን ካገኘን በኋላ ሪጅናችን ማን ነው the region is circle with radius 2 units 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 so the region line ያለ ነው r therefore radiusአችን origin ነካል ከorigin up to the circumference ስለዚህ from 0 up to 2 እንደገና circle ከፖዚቲቭ x axis ጀምሮ full circle ነው ሪጅናችን የሚያገኘው ስለዚህ theta vary from 0 up to 2 pi so theta vary from 0 up to 2 pi r vary from 0 up to 2 the square root of 1 plus 4 times x square plus y square r square r dr d theta ወደ polar coordinate ቀየር ነው then ይሄን ኢንተግሬት ለማድረግ look the derivative of the inner function 1 plus 4r square 8r ይመጣል r dr d theta ስለዚህ let's use integration by substitution let's u be 1 plus 4r square then du by dr derivative of u with respect to r the derivative of this function 8r ስለዚህ ከዚህ ወደዚህ ወስደን በ8 ስናካፍለው r dr ምን ይሆናል 1 over 8 du so this integral will be the same as the integral from 0 up to 2 pi from 0 up to 2 r 0 ሲሆን u will be 1 r 2 ሲሆን 2 square 4 4 16 plus 1 17 up to 17 square root of u r dr will be 1 over 8 du d theta እዚህ መጀመሪያ ኢንተግሬት እናደርጋለን now what's the integral of the square root of u the integral of u the power of 1 over 2 du u the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 ለዚህ ይሄን ካገኘን በኋላ then 2 over 3 u the power of 3 over 2 therefore is the integral ምናገኘን so we will have the integral from 0 to 2 pi from 0 to 2 pi the integral of radical u we have 2 over 3 u the power of 3 over 2 from 1 to 17 d theta the integrate again we have here 1 over 8 don't miss 1 over 8 Then let's substitute መተካት ነው upper limit and lower limit መተካት ነው so upper limit lower limit ስንተካ the integral from 0 to 2 pi 1 over 8 times 17 this ስንተካ it becomes 2 over 3 ጋራ ስለሆነ let's simplify አድርገን እንጻፈው look 1 over 8 በሁለት ጣፋል 1 over 12 ይሆናል 1 over 12 so u 17 ስንተካ cubed over 2 it becomes 17 radical 17 minus 1 over 12 ጋራ ነው 1 over 8 times 2 over 3 1 over 12 ያንን minus 1 ስንተካ it becomes 1 d theta so this is some constant so the integral of 1 the integral of a constant the constant 17 square root of 17 minus 1 theta from 0 up to 2 pi upper limit እንተካለን 1 over 12 17 square root of 17 minus 1 times 2 theta I mean 2 pi theta replaced by 2 pi minus 0 ስንተካ 0 ይመጣል minus 0 therefore the integral result 2 by 2 1 over 6 bracket 17 square root of 17 minus 1 pi this is ጥያቄ ምንድነው find area of the surface the paraboloid of z is equal to x square plus y square cut to the plane by the plane z is equal to 4 that's the area of the paraboloid below the surface z is equal to 4 thank you for watching I'll come back with the other part of the mid exam the last year mid exam now we have done the fill in the blank part and what next comes workout part so what was there in the exam in the workout part እዚህ የወርካውት ጥያቄዎችን በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ ይዤላችሁ መጣለሁ till then bye